Hey everyone, Ali here with thebeadchest.com. Today I want to give you a simple tutorial of how to crimp a bead with pliers. Today we're going to be using wire, 2 gold crimps, and a gold lobster clasp. Just a little rule of thumb, I love to match the hardware, the crimps and the lobster clasp, with the color of my beading wire. You're going to take your little crimp, these are very tiny, don't be afraid to use a magnifying glass. You're going to string it onto your beading wire. Then take your clasp or jump ring and bead string that through. Then you're going to take your loose end of the wire, come around your clasp and back through the crimp. Pull your crimp up towards the base of your clasp. Leave yourself a little bit of wiggle room to give your clasp freedom of movement. Then take your pliers, needle nose pliers preferably. I have been using hardware pliers for a long time, so don't be, the brand doesn't matter and the size doesn't matter. Just take whatever kind of pliers you have and come around that crimp and squeeze it shut. You'll see it went from round to flat, and there you have a crimp. From there you can bead on and you'll have a professional looking bracelet, necklace, or whatever. If you want more tips and tricks, check out our YouTube channel and check out thebeadchest.com for all the materials you may need. See you next time. Bye.